Hi there, students. Loquacious. Loquacious, an adjective. Loquaciously, the adverb. And then we could say loquaciousness, the quality, or also loquacity as well, talkativeness. Okay, so if we say somebody's loquacious, they talk a lot. Yeah, they're very garrulous. Yeah, they talk and talk. They're really rather verbose. They just don't stop talking. Yeah. Um, Okay, when people drink alcohol, they become more loquacious and the volume increases. Okay, so loquacious, tending to talk a great deal. Yeah, they're very voluble. Okay, so a loquacious person just talks and talks. Yeah. Um, Okay, the normally loquacious neighbour just talk to me for a minute. Yeah, so I wonder what's wrong with her. Yeah, so if somebody's loquacious, their loquaciousness means that they really do talk a lot. Yeah, they're very garrulous. He is so loquacious that he could talk the hind legs off a donkey. Yeah, he's normally very loquacious, but he said very little. Yeah, so he's always talking. Yeah, and talking. Somebody who's loquacious, maybe they're in love with the sound of their own voice. Notice, I think if you say something is verbose, you're being critical and saying that this is a bad thing. Whereas loquacious is neither positive or negative. It just means somebody's full of words. This is a fairly formal literary word. Maybe informally you might say chatty. Yeah, he was so loquacious about his new car that I had to make up an excuse in order to be able to leave. Yeah, okay, he talked loquaciously about his time in hospital. Yeah, okay, so maybe sometimes we could use this to saying tending to talk too much, but yeah, I don't know, a loquacious dinner guest, very easy, makes life easy if you can't think of anything to say. Yeah, loquacious. I'm trying to decide if it's critical. I think maybe more often it is critical. Yeah, he's talkative, he's chatty. That could be very could be positive. I guess this is the opposite of taciturn or laconic. Yeah, somebody a few words. So somebody's loquacious is always talking. Okay, as to formality, it sounds quite a literary word, quite a formal word. I think I'd probably give it 6.5 in formality. I think in an informal conversation, I would say something like chatty or talkative. Yeah, I think you could probably use it in a semi-formal conversation. In an essay or something like that, loquacious would be a great word to use. And then as to origin, this one comes directly from Latin, loquax, loquax meaning talkative. Okay, so that hasn't changed much. So somebody who is loquacious, they're just full of words and they've always got things to say. Okay, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Loquacious.